Hello, students. Good evening, everybody. How are you all doing? Today is the 19th session. So we have got many students today. Students regular ka join our students. Do not miss sessions. This phase of your this phase of your preparation is different from SSC board. ఇది competitive phase students. దీంట్లో టెక్నిక్స్ ట్రిక్స్ చాలా యూజ్ అవుతాయి. అది మేము చెప్తాము. అండ్ వాట్ వేర్ యూ డూ యువర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ మ్యాటర్స్ ఎ లాట్. ఎక్కడ చేస్తున్నారు, ఎలాంటి కోచింగ్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు మ్యాటర్స్ ఎ లాట్. చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తుంది. బికాస్ దట్ విల్ ఎఫెక్ట్ యువర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్. మంచి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ వస్తే యువర్ లైఫ్ ఇస్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్ డిఫరెంట్. కెరీర్ మారిపోతుంది, డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. రైట్. సో రేపు జెడ్సాట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది స్టూడెంట్స్. JETSAT exam is a golden opportunity for students. 100 top 100 వాళ్ళకి stipend ఇస్తారు, ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ ఇస్తారు. On top of that, we'll get a stipend of rupees 500 per month. Alright, so that's a golden opportunity. Don't miss JETSAT students. రేపు ఖచ్చితంగా రాయండి. మీకు లింక్స్ ఏమో JETSAT కమ్యూనిటీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో వచ్చేస్తాయి. రేపు 5 o'clock ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది. All right then. So stay tuned, students. We have got math session coming up. I request Gayatri ma'am to conduct the session, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good evening, students. So let me share the PPT. All right, students. So this is the continuation of yesterday's session. So I can see many students are here. Raju Devasani, then Anji Reddy, Chandu, Mangesh, Nikita. All right. So many students are very active. Very good evening to all of you. All right. So just one request, please do not chat in the chat box. Chat box is meant only to give the answers. All right. So these things we've done yesterday already. So we are just doing the continuation of yesterday's class. All right, students. Right. So in yesterday's class, so we completed the sums of this kind. So there's 2 more sums which is left. So we'll quickly do it. And as told yesterday, you can follow any method, elimination method or simultaneous equation solving method, any method you can follow. But the answer must come correct. That is, you should not make any mistakes while doing the calculations. All right? Yes. So now this kind of sum, just 2 more sums, we'll solve it before we take up the go for the MCQ questions. All right. So let's try to cancel Q. So equation 1 into 3 will give us 9P plus 6Q is equal to 7 3s are 21, 3, 4, 5, 51. Equation 2 into 2 will give us 8P plus 6Q is equal to 48. All right. So, all right. So now let's take this as equation 3, this is equation 4, and we can cancel Q. So we just have to, what did we do? We subtracted, isn't it? So let's change the sign. 9 minus 8 is P is equal to 3. So if P is 3, what is the value of Q? So 3 into any one equation you can substitute. 3 into P plus 2Q is equal to 17. So 2Q is equal to 17 minus 9. 2Q is equal to 8. Okay. So Q is equal to 8 by 2. So Q is equal to 4. All right, so I'm sure many are giving me the answers. So you can also do the quick checking in the other equation. You can check, that is 4P means 4 3s are 12 plus 3Q, 3 into 4, 12. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So your answer is also 24. So your answer is right. All right. So Ravi, okay. Ravi, please do not chat. Yes, the Raju is giving me the correct answer. Nitin is giving me the answer. Then Reddy is giving me, then Kavyashri, Kranti Kumar, Vishnu Kishore, Nikita. Yes, Reddy, you're absolutely right. Vishnu Kishore, you're absolutely right. All right, let's move on to the next question. All right, so this kind of question is also a very common question, right? So 1 into 1 will give us 7P plus 4Q is equal to 32. Equation 2 into 4, because now I'm targeting to cancel Q. So 2 into 4 will give me 4P plus 4Q is equal to 20. All right. Yes, so now I'm going to minus 3 minus 4. So commonly I'm taking out plus 4Q minus 4Q. So 7 minus 4 is 3P is equal to 12. So P will be equal to 12 by 3, which implies P is equal to 4. All right, so now this equation, I can put it in any one equation and get the value of Q. So P plus Q is 5. So 4 plus Q is 5. Q will be 5 minus 4 is 1. So the value of P is 4, Q is 1. So always you have to do the checking. So here you can do P, 4 plus 1, P plus Q, which is 5. So your answer is right. Yes. Reddy, you're giving me the right answer. Nagalakshmi, you're giving me the right answer. Banu Priya, Jay, Ravimanyam, Kavyashri, Lakshmi, Nageshwar Rao, Bapu Reddy, Reddy. Good, good, good. So all of you are giving me the correct answers. Good students. All right. Now with this, let's move on to the next question. Now let us take a test. You can refer your books while answering the questions. 45-second time is given to answer. Type your answers in the chat box. So that's why I've kept my chat box open so you can quickly answer it. Here goes the first question. So please read the question and then give me the answers. If the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 will represent coincident lines, then the condition is dash. So I'm sure you remember yesterday we read, no, whether it is, I mean, if it is coincident line, then what would be the condition, right? So quickly recollect it. I'm sure you would have copied all these important formulas. So many are giving me option 2. Madhu says option 3. Reddy says 1. Let's see. Madhu is right. Option 2. Babu is saying 2. Nitin says 2. All right. Many are giving me option 2 as a correct answer, where A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. All right, good students. With this, let's move on to the next question. Here, the next question is, if the pair of linear equations A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0 and A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0 will represent intersecting lines, then the condition is dash. Is it A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, or is it A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 and equal to C1 by C2? And the third one, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Or is it none? I'm getting a mixed answer, but many says option 1 is the right answer. So I'm just giving you few seconds time for you all to think over it and then come back to me with the answer. So think well and then give me the answer, students. All right. So let's see the answer. It is option 1. Many of you have given me option 1 as a correct answer. Yes, you all are right. A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. All right. Yes, let's move on to the next question. The coordinates of the point when the line 2x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0 meets x-axis is dash. Is it minus 3 comma 0, 3 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0, or is it 2 comma 0? All right, so they've given you an hint. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. So because he says that it meets y-axis, isn't it? So what happens if you are going to put y is equal to 0? Let's work it out. 2 into 2x minus 3y is 0. Okay. So minus 0 plus 6 is 0. So 2x is minus 6. X is minus 3. So minus 3 is your x coordinate. Y is 0. All right. Let's see the answer. 2 into x, it should be minus 3, isn't it? 2x minus 3y. We are taking y as 0, okay? So 2x is minus 6. X would be equal to minus 3. So your answer should be minus 3 comma 0, students, okay? So by mistake, the second one is highlighted. All right, so it should be number 1, minus 3 comma 0. Yes, 1 is the correct answer. Many of you have given me the correct answers. Let me read the names. Akhil, Bhanupriya, Bole Jay, Meghna, Bhanupriya Reddy, Babu Reddy, Kranti Kumar, then Sita Lata, Sri Ramulu, Nandita, Sharanya, Sri Harshita, Bhanupriya, Nikita, Azmira, Abu Rehan, Kranti Kumar. All right, so many more. It's not possible for me to read all the names. Let's move on to the next question. The value of y when x is equal to minus half, that satisfies the equation 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 5. Right? So the value of y. So what you have to do, just substitute x is equal to minus half in this equation and get the value of y. All right, let's quickly solve. 2 by minus half plus 3 by y is equal to 5. All right, so it becomes 2 by minus 1 into 2. So it becomes minus 4 plus 3 by y is equal to 5. All right, so minus, no, plus 3 by y is equal to 5 plus 4. So 3 by y is equal to 9. So 9y is 3, right? So y will be equal to 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3. 3 ones are, 3 threes are. So your answer must be option 1. Isn't it? Let's see. Yes, it is. Again, many of you have given me the correct answers. Excellent students. All right, so good. I'm not going to read all your names because almost everyone has given me the right answers. Good. All right, let's move on to the next question. The graph of 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 intersects the y-axis at the point dash. So on y-axis, x is 0, isn't it? That's what usually the graph rule says. So when the equation intersects the y-axis, it means that x is 0, right? So then what would happen? What is the value of y, right? So 2 into 0 plus 4y is equal to 12. So 4y is 12 means y is equal to 12 by 4, y is equal to 14 are 12. So here x is 0, y is 3. So your option 2 is the correct one. All right, 0, 3. Yes. So option 2, many of you have given me option 2. Good students. All right, see the next question. The graph of 3x plus y is equal to 18 intersects the x-axis at the point. So if it intersects the x-axis means y should be equal to 0, isn't it? All right, so it is 3x is equal to 18, x is equal to 6, 18 by 3. So 6 comma y is 0. So 6 comma 0 means it is option 4. All right, so let's see how many of you have given me option 4 as a correct answer. Yes, Madhu has given me option 4. Reddy says 4. Kavishri is giving me the answer correctly. Then Azmira says 4. Right. So many are giving me the correct answer, students. I'm not able to read all the names. Good. Let's move on to the next question. The value of k for which the system of equations x plus 2y minus 3 is 0 and 5x plus ky plus 7 is equal to 0. It has no solution is dash. So here it is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. But it is not equal to c1 by c2. Isn't it? So what is a1 by a2? So what is the value of k? So a1 is 1 by a2 is 5 is equal to b1 is 2, b2 is k, and this is not equal to minus 3 by 7. So now you can see k cross multiply, k into 1 is k, 5 into 2 is 10. So now they are saying the value of k is 10 because they say that it has no solution. All right, so if it has no solution, then it means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. All right, yes, so many of you are giving me the correct answer as 10. Good students. All right, let's move on to the next question. In x plus y is equal to 3, if y is 1, then what is x? So x must be 2, isn't it? So just put y is 1. So x is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So your answer must be 4. That is option 4, answer 2. Let's see how many of you are giving me the correct answers. Yes, option 4, correct. I don't know whether you're giving me the options or you're giving me the answer. If it is an option, option 4. If it is answer, then it is 2. So I assume all of you are giving me the correct option or the answers. Good students. All right. See the next question. If the lines given by 3x plus 2ky is equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel, then the value of k is what? Right? So here you can see it is a1 by a2. What is a1? 3. What is a2? The value of the coordinate of x, that is 2. Here the coordinate of x is 3. Here the coordinate of x is 2. Okay, so 3 by 2 is equal to, it is b1 by b2. That is 2k by 5. And it is not equal to 2 by 1. Okay, so just cross multiply. 15 is equal to 4k. K is equal to 15 by 4. Because here they say that they are parallel. Is it clear? All right, so your option 1 is right. So let's see. All right, so how many are giving me? Almost all are giving me the correct answer. Excellent students. So Nagalakshmi, Venu, Banu Priya, Meghna, Babu Reddy, Cherry, many more. I'm not able to read the names as quickly as the name runs. Kranti, Kumar, Sridhar, Venkanna, almost all have given me the right answer. See the next question. The value of k for which the system of equations 2x plus 3y is 5, 4x plus ky is 10 has infinite number of solutions. All right. So what is the value of k? If it has infinite means a1 by a2 is b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. All right, so let's go by the formula. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So 2K is equal to 12. K is equal to 12 by 2, where it is 6. Okay. Here also you can try where you're going to get the same answer. 10 threes are 30 is equal to 5K. So K is equal to 30 by 5. K is 6. All right. How many? Almost all are giving me the right answers. Excellent students. Venu, Reddy, Banu Priya, Ramesh, Azmira, Akhil, Nagalakshmi. Almost all. Good students. Let's move on to the next question. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? So no solution means it is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. All right. So what is a1? 3 by a2 is 2k minus 1, which is equal to 1 by k minus 1. So not equal to 1 by 2k minus 1. So let's forget about this. Now let's take up only this. Just cross multiply to get the value of k. So it is 3 times of k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 3 minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. 3 minus 2 is k. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 is equal to 0. Whereby k, the value of k is 2. All right, so your answer must be option 2. Sorry, circle it wrong. The answer must be option 2. Yes, it is. So let me read out quickly. Paveshri, Venu, Bapu Reddy, Ole J, Lucky Reddy, Charan Teja, Anji Reddy, Banu Priya, Sharanya, Vishnu Kishore, Azmira, Akhil, Babu Reddy, Ramesh, Bhattu, Reddy, many more. Prema Lata. All right, good students. Now with this, we are moving on to the next question. The value of k for which the system of equations kx minus y is 2, 6x minus 2y is 3 has a unique solution. So for this, I'm really going to give you 1 full minute because it's a theory. So you all are going to quickly refer to your theory and then go to give me the answer. So let's see how many are going to give me the answers. The time is running, students. So do it very fast. All right, so let's see the answer. And they've given you the hint A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Means it is option 2. Any real number other than 3. All right, see the next question. Which of the following equation is not a linear equation? So if it is Y not a linear equation, because you can have X plus Y, right? But you cannot have square. Right, so obviously option 3 should be the answer. Yes, it is. All right, see the next question. Which of the following numbers is a solution for the equation 3 into x plus 3 is 18? So you can actually work it out and find out. So x plus 3 is equal to 18 by 2, 9. X is equal to 9 by 3. X is equal to 6. So your option 2 is the correct one. All right, fine. Right, see the next question. The value of x which satisfies the equation 2x minus of 4 minus x is equal to 5 minus x. All right. So which one will you take? All right. So I'm just giving you a hint. Supposing, see, all these values you should do. Now randomly I'm taking this value. So first let us solve it, Solving will make us still more easy. Right? So minus 5 plus x is equal to 0. See? X plus x, 2x, 2x plus 2x is 4x is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 by 4. X is equal to 2.25. That should be the answer. Yes. The other method is you can randomly put the value in all these equations and then check. Okay. Right. See the next question. The equation x minus 4y is equal to 5 has no solution, unique solution, two solutions, infinitely many solutions. So you just need to tell me how many solutions. Is it no solution, unique solution, two solution? It is infinitely many solutions. So option 4 is the correct answer. Those who have given me option 4, then the answers are correct. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following pair of equations represent inconsistent system? So here inconsistent means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, right? So when you do this, you will be able to, each and every equation you are supposed to find out. So here, let me just try with the third one since that is the answer. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is obviously satisfying. So your answer must be option 3. All right. Other equations will not get satisfied with it. Because if you take the first one, it becomes 2 by 5, which is not correct. Second one, 6 by 1 is not right. Fourth one, 1 by 2 Okay. So there also it may not be suitable. Let's see the answer. It is option 3. See the next question. The pair of linear equations 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 12x plus 16y plus 15 is equal to 0 have dash solutions. Unique solutions, many solutions, two solutions, or no solutions. If you try solving this, then you will find only no solutions. Okay. Yes. See the next question. The graph of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Represents dash. Curve, circle, straight line, none. Okay. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 always represents only straight line. Isn't it? Yeah. So see the next question. The value of k for which the system of equations 3x plus 5y is equal to 0, kx plus 10y is equal to 0 has a non-zero solution. Has a non-zero solution. Right? So you can see here 3 by k is equal to 5 by 10. Right? So it is so 6 cross multiply k is equal to 6. So obviously your answer must be option 3. Let's see the answer. Yes, it is. Okay, so those who have given me option 6, option 3, answer 6, it is absolutely right. See the next question. The pair of linear equations px plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus y is equal to 1 has unique solution if p is not equal to 6, p is equal to 6, p is equal to 5, p is not equal to 5. Okay. So p by 3 is equal to 2 by 1. So 3 2s are 6. So p should not be equal to 6. It is. Okay. Because it is a unique solution. All right. See the next question. The pair of equations y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 3 has dash. No solution, unique solution, many solution, two solutions. So quickly do the answer and tell me, students. So I'm just giving you 1 minute to give me the answer for this. So by then, let me see how many are giving me the answers. Yes. So we have few more questions. Nandita, Vanupriya, Venu, Kavyashri, Medana, Anji Reddy, yes. Sharanya, Sridhar, Nitin, almost all are giving me the correct answers. It is no solution. Nitin has clearly given me the answer, no solution. Right? Good students. With this, we are moving on. Yes, Madhu Mudiraj. Please don't chat in the chat box. See the next question. The lines represented by 8x plus 2py is 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel if p is equal to. Okay, if p is equal to. So when do you say it is parallel? Right? So for that, you need to read the conditions. Yesterday, in the beginning of the session, these conditions were discussed, isn't it? Yeah. So when do you say it is parallel? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 which is not equal to C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. Right? So what is A1 x by 2 is equal to 2p by 5, which is not equal to 2 by 1. So this cross multiply 5 8s are 40 is equal to 4p. So p is equal to 40 by 4, which implies p is equal to 410. Okay. So here p is equal to 10. So read the question. Your question says the lines represented by this 8x plus 2py is equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 are parallel. So you just have to cross multiply and get the value of p, which is 10. All right. So let's see how many are giving me the answers here. Yes, many are giving me the answers. Students, good. Sharanya, Venu, Venkanna, Mudiraj, Kavyashri, Bhanupriya. All right, good students. See the next question. If the system of equations, so probably this is the last question. If the system of equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, comma, a plus b into x plus 2a minus b into y is equal to 21, has infinitely many solutions. So as they say, infinitely many solutions means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So you can just cross multiply. 2 into 2a minus b is equal to 3 into a plus b. So 4a minus 2b minus 3a minus 3b is equal to 0. Right? So 4a minus 3a is a, minus 2b minus 3b is minus 5b. All right? So a minus 5b is equal to 0. Right. So here you can also use this 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. Just cross multiply. 9 is equal to 2a minus b. So 2a minus b is equal to 9. So this is in the form of a simultaneous equation. Just solve it. 2a plus 10b is equal to 0. 2a minus b is equal to 9. So 10 minus 1 is 9b is equal to 9. B is equal to 1. Just substitute in any one equation, a minus 5b is equal to 0. So a minus 5 is equal to 0. A is equal to 5. So the value would be a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1. All right. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 1. Yes, absolutely. Option 2. It is right. Yes. So Vishnu Kishore, Bhanupriya, Reddy, Darshanam Sagar, almost all, Satya, all have given me the right answer. All right, students. So with this, we close for today. So hope you all have enjoyed the class. And I'm very happy to say that almost many of you gave me the correct answers. So good going. Do your test very well. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. Thank you and meet you in the next class with another very interesting subjects and lessons. Thanks for watching.